What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to a new video on Matic. I'm covering Matic and Cardano again. Sometimes I just have to do updates on these big cryptos. And apart from that, Matic is actually showing some bullish momentum, which is quite strange right now, because if you take a look at, for example, Matic against Bitcoin, what you'll see is that that's actually pretty strong right now, because Bitcoin is absolutely suffering. And at the same point of time, Matic is trying to get some sort of a bullish breakout. Now, if you zoom out, obviously Bitcoin has been the stronger crypto. But it's interesting to see, because right now Matic is actually trying to break above. I mean, there's this big key area between 55.5 and like 56.5 cents. That's the main resistance level, so it's nowhere near breaking above that. But just the fact that it's trying to get some sort of a bullish breakout is actually quite fascinating, and we're going to be talking about that, whether it's actually a possibility. But before we dive into that, I do want to say, before we really get into the technicals and the fundamentals, that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades. So if I have trades on Matic, I'll share them there. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable. There's over 100 traders, or almost 100 traders in there, just debating setups and trades. And you gain access to my trading guides to actually learn how to analyze like this. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. Now onto Matic. So first of all, fundamentally, Matic actually, or Polygon, we should then say, has actually not been doing that well. If you take a look, the daily active addresses and daily transactions actually spiked. I missed that. It's been a couple of days since I looked at this last, but that's actually pretty good. But the total value locked, which is in the end the most important measure to take a look at, is actually down quite a bit. And if we could see the last 3 months, I think you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, I mean, here you can see 3 months ago it was around 1 billion, now around 800 million, which is quite a significant decrease. Obviously, it has to do with the price as well, but it feels like a bear market. So then, when we're talking about the possibility of Matic potentially getting some sort of a bullish breakout, fundamentally it doesn't look likely. If we take a look at the general market, it doesn't look likely. But then it is true that Matic is showing some bullish momentum here, and that there's volume coming in from some sources, which actually is quite manipulated. Like, this is not a normal volume distribution. So that actually does increase the chance of having some sort of a breakout like this. But like I said, it's really better to wait for confirmation. So I would say to really get some sort of a rally up towards the levels around 59 and 60 cents, because that would be my price target, with the 200 EMA and 60 cents being a psychological resistance level, of course. I would say it's possible, definitely with that volume, but then we would need to see Matic breaking above 56.5 cents. If it's able to do that, we'll get a bullish breakout, and Matic can actually continue going up, or it will probably continue going up to 59 and 60 cents. But the chances of this, I mean, I would say it's only possible because there's something shady going on at Matic right now. Well, not at them, but it's going on with Matic. So therefore, I'd say this is a possibility. But given how Polygon is doing, and given how the market is doing right now, I would say it's way more likely that Matic will slowly just start to drop back down towards 51 and 50 cents. So I'd say that's the most likely scenario, but there definitely is a chance of this happening. But like I said, it's better to wait for bullish confirmation for that setup. But that's my take on Matic. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.